In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace background in Canva. This is a really useful skill if you're creating social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, or any kind of visual content and you want to quickly update the look without starting from scratch. We'll walk through a simple, clear process, and by the end you'll feel confident swapping backgrounds in just a few clicks. First, open Canva and head into the design where you want to change the background. This might be an existing project you've already been working on, or a brand new design you've just created. Make sure you're on the page or slide where the background needs to be updated. Next, you'll need to select an image that you want to use as your new background. You can do this in a few ways. You can upload your own photo from your computer, or choose one from Canva's built-in image library. If you're using Canva's library, take a moment to search for something that matches the mood and style of your design. For example, you might search for a clean gradient, a nature scene, a cityscape, or a simple textured backdrop. Try to think about contrast and readability, especially if you'll be placing text or icons on top of it. Once you've found the image you want, click on it so it appears on your canvas. At first, it might show up as a regular image layer, not yet filling the entire background. That's exactly what we want for now, because the next action will turn it into the background. Now, move your cursor over that image on the canvas and right-click on it. This opens a small context menu with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Replace Background. Go ahead and click on Replace Background. The moment you do this, Canva will automatically stretch and position the selected image so that it fills the entire background area of your design. Any existing background will be replaced, but your text, graphics, and other elements will stay in place on top, which saves you a lot of time. After the background is replaced, feel free to fine-tune the look. You can adjust the transparency, apply filters, or slightly reposition elements to make everything balanced and easy to read. And that's all there is to it. By simply selecting an image, right-clicking, and choosing Replace Background, you can transform the look and feel of your Canva design in seconds.